Ni hao. That's how we say hello in Chinese. So, ni hao. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your old Windows PC to Windows 10 without losing any data. So, it will work on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows XP. So, it will just work. So, I'm going to do it on Windows 7 Ultimate. So, a video is not in good quality. I just recorded it with my phone because it was not my PC, so I didn't turn on the screen recorder. So sorry about it. I'm going to upload a latest version of this video really soon, so please subscribe for that. And there's a Hindi version of this video, you can check it out from link in description if you don't understand English. So yeah, first of all you have to search on Google for Windows 10 installer and then open the first link. There will be a link in description too. You can just click on it and it will open the same page. So now what you have to do, you have to just click on download tool now, and you can read the step from here, or if you don't want to read it, just watch this video. So just click on download tool now and it will download a file which is around 18 MB. So it's really small file. So make sure you have over 8 GB of space in your drive C so that it can download Windows 10 file on drive C. Okay, so now installation has been completed, so just click on it and it will ask for permission. Just click on yes and allow Windows. Okay, so it installation will begin right now. So if you want to install Windows on your USB, just plug in the USB and you have to just select I will just show the option right now. Okay, so it's taking some time there. Now as you can see, it's saying getting a few things ready. Okay, now you have to just accept the agreement, applicable notice and something. Okay, getting a few things ready again. So yeah, wait. Now okay, I want to just upgrade this PC, so I will just select the first option. And if you want to create an installation media, like you can just plug in USB in any PC and it will install Windows. You can select the second option and then click next, but I'm going to upgrade this PC and I just click next. Now it's downloading Windows 10, so it will take around, I don't know, it depends on your internet connection. So I'm using an Ethernet cable. It took me around half hour to download Windows 10. Yeah, so it depends on internet connection. Okay, now it's verifying the download, so it can take from 5 to 10 minutes easily. And now it's creating Windows 10 media, so the progress will start from 0. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, creating media, no problem, you can take your time. Now in this process you won't lose any data. So at this point I don't know what happened, it was saying preparing, but last time I did there was not preparing option. I don't know about that, but it will work for you. Okay, don't worry about this if it doesn't show this specific box for you. Okay, don't worry about that. Now Windows is verifying that we are ready to install Windows or not. So now they are asking that which file we want to keep over here, so you can just click on that button over there. Yes, get there. Yes, change what to keep. So you can just keep personal files and app, or keep personal file, or you don't want to keep anything, just fresh start. So you have to click on keep personal files and then click on an app and then click on next. Okay, so yeah, it will, now it's making sure that we have enough space to download Windows, and you should have over 8 GB on drive C to install Windows 10. Okay, and now you have to click on install, and if it show you this type of screen installing Windows 10, it means that you're good to go. So your PC might restart several times at this process, don't worry about that. And as you can see, it's now 67, and suppose if at this point my PC restart, then it will start from 96 67 again. So don't worry about that. So your PC will restart in few moment. So this will take a lot of time, so you should be patient, and it can take around 2 to 3 hours or 1 hour. Now it opened my Windows and it's closing every single app, so to make sure that we didn't delete any file or it didn't corrupt any file. Okay, so I'm not doing anything at this part. So one thing I want to tell you that please don't install Windows from website that tell you how to download Windows 10 for free. So yeah, there are virus or malware around there, so I'm going to show you how to activate Windows 10 for free in my next video. It will be 100% free, so you have to just install Windows 10 installer from here, install Windows 10 for free, and then I'm going to show you how you can activate Windows 10 for free. And yes, and if you want to download Office for free, I have also video for that, you can check out from link in the description. Now it's showing that it's loading file and Windows 10 logo, so it's going to start the installation and everything is straightforward from here. So it's not nothing special from here. If you want to leave the video right now, you can leave. So you have to just select certain things. So as you can see, it's saying installing window and everything will be like that. So nothing is difficult after this. So if you want to close this video, you can close, or if you want to see what I will do next, you can just stay here. So yes, if you want to leave the video, you can, no problem about that. Now your PC can restart at this moment, so don't worry about that. As you can see, it just restarted. So it will just say just a moment, loading, showing you Windows logo, and it can take around 2 hour, 3 hour, 5 hour, it doesn't matter. Now at this point it doesn't need internet connection. Okay, so installing Windows 10 30%. Okay, I'm just saying okay, okay, okay a lot in this video. Okay, installing Windows 96%. Just a moment, it will show just a moment a lot of time. Just a moment again. Now it will ask your region, so if you're in US, UK, or anywhere in the world, just select your region and then click on next. And again, just a moment. Okay, now we have some important setup to do. Okay, why not? Now how would you like to set up for personal use or set up for organization? I'm going to set it up for my personal use, so I'm just going to click on there and click on next. Now you have to enter your Outlook password, email and password, and if you don't want to put that, just click on offline account and then you can use without signing into Outlook or Hotmail. And I'm just going to put my email and password and then click on next. And please wait. Now we are 90% completed at this moment, so we are just going to enter pin and we are just going to accept some agreement after that. So create a pin, and you cannot create a pin if you haven't signed into window no sorry Outlook or Hotmail. So you have to sign in to create a pin. So I'm just, and one more thing, you cannot enter simple pin like 1234. So as you can see, my pin is 1234 and it say provide a pin that meet complexity requirement. Your pin cannot be common number pattern. So I'm just going to change my password to something harder, so it will be like 4321. Okay, don't worry about that. And then click on OK, and just a moment again. Wait. Now it's Windows is asking who will use this device. It's just for me, or people in your family will be using this, but I'm just going to select just me and then click on next. And I'm sure you can change this in future. So it's asking for permission, so I'm just going to turn off all permission. I don't know why but it's up to you. And then click on next, accept, sorry, and do more with history. Okay, no. Now if you want to backup your file to OneDrive, then you can do it, but I'm just going to save my file locally on my PC. So just a moment, and it's asking to install Office. I'm not going to install it because I can download it for free and I have video on it. You can check out the description for that. And I guess we are almost there. Moment of truth, we are getting everything ready for you. Yes, for you only. So if you have any problem installing Windows 10, you can just comment it down below and we'll just find out. So this might take several minutes. Okay, don't turn off your PC. Okay, and then don't restart my PC. Okay, almost there. And ta Windows 10. So yes, that's Windows 10, and I'm going to show you that it's actually Windows 10. So I'm just going to show you that it's actually Windows 10. So as you can see, desktop or taskbar is of Windows 10 and everything is of Windows 10 because we downloaded it from official Windows installer. Now even though I just deleted all my file, but it still save my files in drive C. Let me show you. As you can see, only 7 GB free, so it means that it stored my old file, but I will recommend you to keep your old files because it was not my PC, so I just removed everything. Okay, so now I'm going to just right click on Windows icon and then click on system to show you that it's actually Windows 10. So yes, now wait, and as you can see, I will just scroll down and edition Windows 10 Pro version 2004. I don't know why, but close that, and yeah, as you can see, it's working. I hope this video helped you, and if it really helps you, please subscribe to my channel and help my channel to grow. And thanks for watching. And in today's video we learned a word called Jihao, which means hello in Chinese, and in my next video we will learn hello in another language. So yeah, bye, and subscribe.